Hello guys, I will be opening a toy I got today. It's not a Roblox toy. It's a monster truck toy. My brother's crying in the background. It's the classic Gravedigger. It's from Big Lots. You can read all of them if you want to. And then we'll start to crack it open. So small. Here's the flag. What are you waiting for? The truck. This is Dennis. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is Dennis. This is Naruto. My stepdad was watching this. Okay, it's the video. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe and comment if you have this truck too. I don't want to say. Yeah, my step's watching that.